Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes 7 here. Okay. So, what I want to talk about, I heard the news about Miss Gina Brown yesterday. Okay. So, I want to tell y'all, I met her in person a long time ago. I think it was in 2017 or 2016 or something like that. So, that was around the time I met Soraya. They both appeared on my show. Okay. Yeah, so Miss Gina Brown appeared on my show, and Soraya also appeared on my show. Yeah. So I've heard of Miss Gina Brown, but when I was a kid, I didn't I ain't know her name, because I've seen her before when I was a kid, and I met her in person. Uh, I think in 2016 or something like that at Peaches. When Kermit Ruffins and yeah, Kermit Ruffins and Soraya and other people that was performing at Peaches. Peaches Records on magazine. Okay. Yep. I'm never gonna forget that day. So the video is on YouTube somewhere. You know. Yep. So that's on YouTube somewhere. Okay. So I must say though, that was sad news that I haven't heard, because I never thought that that'll be my first and last time meeting her in person. Okay, and I had some ideas for this girl Soraya to make a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony and Angie Stone and other artists. Okay, because I'm here also to support her career and pray that she could make it in life, which I know she will. She already accomplished her singing goals with her music albums and stuff, and getting married and stuff like that. And I'm very happy that Miss Gina Brown attended her wedding. You know, I think she did, if I'm not mistaken. So Miss Gina Brown, you will be truly missed. You are truly missed. You are a wonderful person, and I was so glad to meet you. Okay, all right. May God bless Miss Gina Brown. Okay, may God bless you. Okay, all right. So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm about to stop this live stream and let this phone charge. Okay. All right. God bless you, Miss Gina Brown. All right. God bless.